Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Where you came from, ma'am?
Argentina.
Argentina. Manu Ginobili.
Manu Ginobili.
Yeah, the famous Euro step
Yes.
in NBA.
True.
So, what's your name, ma'am?
Valentina.
Valentina. My name Valentino.
No, really?
Yeah, we are you know,
friends.
we are friends. Meant to be. Meant to be pa, Valentino. No, my name Justin Bieber.
Just no.
Yeah.
Justin Bieber.
All good?
Yes.
Ito tayo ng pampauto. Ito. Sheesh, malinis yan ah. Wait lang. Ma'am, souvenir.
Oh, thank you.
Valentina, Valentino ha?
Valentino.
Yeah.
Mahal.
Kita.
What? Sorry?
Mahal,
Mahal.
kita.
Kita.
That
What is
means I love you.
Oh.
Then mahal, then kita. That's I love you too.
Oh, mahal dan kita.
Yeah, that's I love you too.
Oh.
I love you too.
I love you too.
What you gonna say in our tour?
So good.
All
Thank
good
you.
in the hood?
Yes.
What you gonna say in our photography?
You are the best.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Thank you.
If
You
you
are the
if you're gonna rate 1 out of 10, you rate it how much? How many?
best. How many? What?
If you rate it 1 out of 10.
11.
11? Really? You ano me ha? Bola me ha? Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Valentina,
And
Valentino.
Valentino.
Yeah,
Yes.
we are, you know, like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Say name.
Maganda
Maganda.
means you. Beautiful.
Maganda.
Yeah, means you. It means beautiful.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
it's and Pogi means me. Handsome.
Again?
Pogi means me.
Pogil.
Means me. Handsome. Pogi
Handsome.
means handsome.
Handsome.
Yeah, maganda means you.
Oh.
Beautiful. Pogi means me handsome.